2 days ago, the water main broke on 16th Avenue in Calgary, and the city of Calgary has been trying ever since to contain the situation. The residents of Calgary have been advised to conserve water, but as of now, they don't know how long it's going to take to try and resolve this situation. In this video, we're going to go in a little bit of detail about what happened, why it happened, when we can expect this to get fixed, which areas are the most impacted, which areas will be impacted next, and can this happen again? What you see behind me is the exact point where the water main broke. Now, water main is basically one of the main underground water pipes that brings water from the nearby water plant to serve 1.3 million people of Calgary. In this map of Calgary, you can see all the main water feeder pipes in Calgary, and they are color-coded based on their size. The feeder pipe that broke is along 16th Avenue Northwest and Home Road, which is near Safeway. This pipe is marked with red and is the biggest one with a diameter between 1,650 millimeters to 3,000 millimeters. The pipe broke on Wednesday afternoon and there was water everywhere on the streets. Seeing the severity of the issue, the Alberta government issued an alert on Thursday morning, and ever since then, the residents of Calgary have been asked to reduce water consumption as much as they can, as the city is about to run out of water. So no showers and no washing dishes for some time. Now let's talk about why this happened. The water pipe is made up of precast concrete which have steel wires inside. Over time, freeze-thaw cycles, fluctuating water tables, and soil-containing chemicals can deteriorate the concrete. The lifespan of such pipes is around 50 years, and this pipe, which broke, was installed in 1975, which brings the age of this pipe to 49 years. That's just 1 year shy of the expected lifespan. In regards to the amount of time to get this fixed, we're looking at 5 to 7 days. The number was quoted by one of the technicians on site. Calgary had a similar water incident in January of 2004 where a pipe broke on McKnight Boulevard. During that time, it took 3 weeks for the city to fix the problem, but around 2 weeks of that time was actually used to manufacture the pipe using concrete. Ever since then, the city keeps several 2-meter long feeder pipes ready for replacement in the event of such incidents. Now let's talk about the worst impacted areas. For now, the areas in and around Bonus are impacted the most. City of Calgary advised the residents of Bonus to boil the water that they're using for drinking, cooking, and brushing. Also, to mitigate the water problem, 9 water wagons have been placed near Bonus with clean drinking water for the residents. If the pipe is not repaired in the next 5 to 7 days, then other areas of Calgary will start to run out of water. At present, the city is producing 520 million liters of water a day and consuming 610 million liters. Unless everybody reduces their consumption by 25%, the city will very soon run out of water. People in Airdrie and Chestermere are also expected to be impacted by this. And even after the pipe is repaired, it will take some time before the water reserve comes back to its original level. Plus, there is a possibility of similar issues happening elsewhere in the city. As you can see in the map, there are a lot of feeder pipes in the city, and no one can say for sure when the next disaster will happen. We can only hope that the city will take some preventive steps and try to avoid a mishap before it happens. If you want to go and see the construction live, you can go to Olympia Lodge. The address is 5020 16th Avenue Northwest.